Learning to code for the technically challenged designer. So for those of you who are trying to make this transition from print design to web design, all the things that you have to learn about, domain names, hosting, coding, getting your work up on the internet, and even some of the drag and drop visual builders can be confusing for you. You wonder, how are you going to learn how to code? How are you going to do custom websites if you look at the code and it scares you? I've been trying to create a course that helps break down this, what can seem like very technically complicated, into something very simple. That's what I am trying to do in my course, because my course is aimed at the person who is a little bit concerned about doing this type of work on the internet, and they're not really clear on how websites get hosted up on the internet. They're not really clear on what happens and how you should do things. And what I try to do is break things down into simple concepts so that you can learn how to do this, and it's something that's within reach for you. And I also am someone who tries to provide extra help after the course is over. For those that, they don't get it the first time, it's a little tough. I make myself available to you after the course is over so that you can always reach me to get extra help. Because I know when you're trying to transition your career, it's not an easy thing, because I had to do the same thing myself. So I'm also someone that had to learn how to code in mid-career. So, for me, it was design in general was a new field. And so I had to learn new things, in the middle of my career. And I think that for us, that is a difficult thing. It's a transition. And I want to make that transition as simple as possible, because I know what it's like. So if you're someone who's trying to make that leap from print design to web design, the most you've really used on your computer are your Adobe tools and checking your email, and beyond that, that's a little bit an area of confusion for you. You're the person that I want to help. You're the person that I want to help get online, learn these skills, and be someone that, can build custom websites. And I'm here for you to help you learn. So if you take my course, I'm here to hold your hand throughout the process. Take a look and take a course with me. Presented by Designers Learn Code.